Need to drink more water. Oh man. Right. Today we are shooting musical instruments. In particular, an electric guitar. I've had this guitar for 5 years. I used to play in a black metal band. I used to be like very into it, and with time I don't know what happened, I just stopped playing. Now I don't know what to do with it. It's big, it's huge, it's like 160. When I move around from a house to another one or something like that, I have to carry this big coffin thing with me. And don't get me wrong, I like it, I love it, but I see no point in having it like, you know, getting dust basically. I'm not using it anymore, I just don't play anymore. So I'd rather give it to somebody who actually will use it. So I actually posted, you know, that I'm selling the guitar on eBay and Facebook Marketplace and groups and whatever, but I never took the time to actually, you know, shoot some bangers of this guitar and, you know, post it, because I'm a photographer. I should do it, you know? I think now is the time to do that. And at the same time, I would like to learn and teach how to, you know, shoot guitars, because I haven't seen many tutorials on YouTube. There's like 1 or 2 of them or something like that, but you know, I don't really shoot objects. Like, I like shooting photographs of people moving, doing stuff. I don't know, like, I like studying the behavior of people using objects, not objects by themselves. So I'm by no means any expert in doing this, but I will try to do my best, and I hope you can learn something out of it. But enough blabbering about it, let's just do it, come on! I guess that's the most important part in taking pictures of a guitar or any object really, I guess. It's to take as many pictures as you can and give as much info as you can on the object through the pictures. So this is by no means any artistic or I don't know, you know, that kind of pictures, that kind of photographs. This is mainly purely for demonstration. So it's important to take pictures of, you know, details. Here, bridge, pickups, switches. This is a little bit creepy, right? And of course some pictures of, you know, some overall pictures where you can see the whole thing really. And of course some, in my case at least, I would take pictures of somebody actually using the guitar, actually playing, you know, going crazy, shredding. Or something like that. So I will have to take some self-portraits. Right, so with all that being said, I guess it's time to start shooting! I'm gonna use the 85 for a moment, which on this camera is 130 something. So I'm gonna take some details. I'm gonna shoot the knobs here, then the bridge, switch, you know, a little bit here, the neck, and other details. Okay, let's go. Let's start with the knobs. We go like 2.5. I can lower the shutter speed because nobody's moving, and ISO 320, and then we're starting with this, and then we're gonna move on. So, damn! I'm gonna take a shot of the switch. You know what the problem is? I cannot get like very close because this isn't like a macro. So I'm gonna switch to the 35 at some point, not now. Now I'm gonna stick with the 85. I'm gonna shoot the 85. But I'm gonna switch to the 35 and get a little bit closer. Let's shoot a little bit here, this area, the neck. And then for the keyboard, I think I'm gonna have to go with the 35 because this is like way too zoomed in. So when I'm moving around, I'm trying to avoid my reflection in the guitar or the reflection of other things around the room in the guitar. This does not look good. Hey, if you have any suggestion, idea on how to shoot guitars and musical instruments, please let me know. This lens with the 85 millimeters, the focusing distance is 80 centimeters, while with 35 it's 30, so I can get in close. If that doesn't work, I'm going to shoot with this camera, with the Canon M50, and I know that with this one I can get like really close. Let me check. With the 50 to 45 lens, and I can get like 25 centimeters close. It's not a macro, but it's still better than 30. It has a different feel to it when you get closer. I mean, with the 85 it's very zoomed in, but you don't feel that you're that close. You just see that it's zoomed in. And when you get closer to the object, it's different. You can see, it's another perspective, I suppose. So, another tip, use not a macro lens, but you know, use something that you can get close to the object. It's time for the, let's say, overall shot, where I shoot the guitar from a higher point, so I can get to see the whole guitar inside the case. So in order to do this, I'm going to place the guitar on the ground. I'm going to use a ladder, get on the top of the ladder, and just shoot. I'm going to take another one inside the case, but I'm going to place the case like vertically against the wall. And I have no idea how is that going to work, but we're gonna try them both, right? I'm gonna use live view. Oh shite. Damn. Whoa, this is not bad. Although I can see the leg of the ladder and I'm not okay with it. Second try. Now I would love a flippy screen. Okay. One more. Okay. Yep, I guess this is pretty cool. I just used this camera I'm shooting on with the 15 to 45 to take a full body size of the guitar. And you know what? I think I like it better than the rest. I'm still going to take the vertical shot of the case and the guitar together, but I guess this is going to work pretty fine. So the reason I have attached this piece of paper to the wall is because I don't really like the color of the floor and the color of the wall together. So I'm gonna make it all black. Alright, so here there is not that much light, so I have set up an umbrella with a flash, and that should give us just the right feel to, you know, be cool. Yeah, let's try without a case. I don't really like it with the case like that. Let's try like this. Okay. It has a very different look from the other pictures that I've taken so far, so I'm not sure I'm going to use the flash ones. I might hit the, you know, the ISO button and take it without a flash. Let's see. Right, let's turn this off. And hey, you know what, you know, it's not that bad without it. So these aren't the best shots ever, I realize that, and I'm okay with it. It's just, it's better than what I had taken with the phone in the past, like snap, 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 and that's it. Now I actually focused on details, you know, and stuff like that. So to be completely honest with you, this is the second time I'm shooting this video, so I'm going to put some of the pictures that I've taken the last time into this video because I like a few of them, and the room where I've taken the pictures is not available at the moment, so that's why, you know, I had to reshoot the whole thing basically.